Good morning, students. Now we will discuss about the rivalry of grades. Grade powers 1.2. History lesson 1 1.2. Rivalry of grade powers. What is the meaning of rivalry? Rivalry means competition between the countries or people or groups. Okay. First we discuss about the Europe nations. In the 19th century, the European powers had colonized many other countries. Okay. By 1880, most of the Asian countries had been colonized. Only Africa was left. The occupation, divisions and colonizations of Africa took place from 1881 to 1914. After 1870, England, France, Belgium, Italy and Germany joined in the crumble for colonies. Colonized means to take control of another country or places and make it a colony. Occupation means a job. Scramble means to move somewhere quickly. Okay. Next heading, classes amongst great powers. Okay. Classes means fight. Despite the lead in industrial growth and control of a vast emperor, England was not satisfied. Vast means a great emperor, England. Okay. But England was not satisfied because England was in competition with Germany and United States, which were producing cheaper manufacturing goods and thus capturing the England markets. Okay, Germany and United States produced the same type of products compare England, and to fix the price, lesser price of England goods. Okay, so the people to purchase Germany and United States products. So the Germany and United States capturing the England markets. The national rivalry led to frequent clashes between these great powers in Asia and Africa and Europe. Okay. The next heading is Asia, the rise of Japan. Okay. The rise of Japan. Okay. In Asia, Japan during this period 1867 to 1912 Meiji era. Okay. The Japan during this period imitating the Western nations. Okay, imitating means to copy the behavior of somebody. Okay. The Japan imitating the Western nations had become their equal in many respects. Though the outlook of the rulers still remained feudal, Japan took the Western educations and machinery. With a modern army and navy, Japan had emerged as an advanced industrial powers. Okay. In 1894, Japan forced a war on China. Japan voluntarily forced a war on China. The crushing defeat of China by Little Japan in the Sino-Japanese War 1894 to 95 surprised the world. The Sino-Japanese War, China and Japan participated. The war is called Sino-Japanese War. The Sino-Japanese War period 1894 to 95. In this war, China crushing defeated by a little Japan. So, the world nations are surprised to see the Japan. Despite the warning of the three great powers, Russia, Germany and France. Okay. Warning means carefully. Okay. Japan annexed the Liaotung Peninsula with Port Arthur. By this action, Japan proved that it was the strongest nation of the East Asia. So, okay, Japan is a very little country, but Japan proved that it was the strongest nations of the East Asia. Okay. Japan, however, in view of the pressure mounted by European powers, soon gave up its claim over Port Arthur. Okay. Russia took advantage of this and sent a large army to Manchuria. Japan entered into an alliance. Alliance means a agreement between the groups. But Japan entered into the agreement with England in 1902 and demanded that Russia withdrew troops from Manchuria. But Russia underestimated means something will be less than Japan. Japan is a very little country, so the Russia underestimated the Japan. In 1904, the war began between the two countries. In which two countries? Russia and Japan. 1904, that war began between China, Russia and Japan. In this war called Russo-Japanese War, Japan defeated Russia and got back Port Arthur. After this war, Japan entered the circle of the great powers. The great powers name list Japan also to entered. So Japan entered the circle of the great powers. Okay. The next heading is strong arm diplomacy of Japan. After 1905, Japan took control of Korean domestic and foreign policy. Domestic means within our country, within one countries. Okay. Japan controlled Korea activities of domestic and foreign policy. In that time, the assassinations of a prominent Japanese diplomat. Diplomat means an official who presents her countries in a foreign country. Okay, provide the excuse in 1910 for Japan's annexation of Korea. In 1910, Japan annexation of Korea. In that period, the confusion in China following the downfall of Manchu dynasty. The Manchu dynasty come the downfall in China. That period, confusions also arrived in China. In 1912, the Japan is used for that great opportunity to expand their territories. Okay, 1912 provides Japan an opportunity for further expansion. Further expansion means to expand their territories. Okay, Japan demanded the transfer of German powers in Shantung to Japan and the recognition of Japanese hold over Manchuria. Okay, this storm on diplomacy aroused the hostility. Aroused means to cause a particular reactions of the people, and hostility. Hostility means very strong feeling against somebody of both China and European powers. Okay. The next topic is colonization and fallout. In 1876, barely 10% of Africa was under European rule. By 1900, practically whole of Africa was colonized. Britain, France and Belgium had divided the continent between them, leaving a few areas of Germany and Italy. So the Africa fully colonized. Britain, France, Russia and Germany also established sphere of influence in China. Japan took over Korea and Taiwan. Took over means the act of taking control. The Japan took over Korea and Taiwan. France conquered Indochina. Conquered means to take control of a country. The US took the Philippines from Spain, and Britain and Russia agreed to partition Iran. The first European attempts to carve out colonies in Africa resulted in bloody battles. The France had to fight a long and bitter war. Bitter means caused by anger or hatred. Okay, to conquer Algeria and Senegal. the British lost to the Zulus in the year 1879 and to the Sudanese army 1884. The Italian army suffered a devastating defeat at the hands of the Ethiopian army at Adwa 1896. Okay. Thank you students. This class is over now. Tomorrow we will discuss about 1.3 causes, cause and results of the war. Thank you students. Thank you one and all. This lesson prepared by C. Rajamani, Sri Vidya Bharati Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Chakrampalayam. Thank you students. Thank you one and all. Stay home. Stay safe.